would have to remind us. So loops, when we'll go for loops, whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statement multiple times based on condition, we can go for loops. Under loops, we can implement loops in four ways. First one is for loop. Second one is what? Can you guess? Second one is what?
While loop.
While loop. While loop.
While loop.
And third one
Do while loop.
do while loop. Do while loop. And fourth
For each loop.
one is for each loop. Fourth one is for each loop. So totally we have to implement four loops. Okay, guys. Okay. Right. Better to before entering into loops, I'll give you some clarity about timings, all these things. What is happening in Indian time? 5:30 to 7 o'clock, one batch is going on. 7 to 8, another batch is going on. 7 to 8, according to India time, your batch. But actually 7 to 8, your 1 hour session. I don't want to have 1 hour session because 1 hour means we can't complete the syllabus fast. And as well as we have a lot of interaction in the session. That's fine. I want to go for 2 hour session. First of all, is it okay for all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 hours is okay for all immediately because that 5:30 to 7 o'clock some students are there, and for them actually I am organizing right now they are almost into switch for them and you 1 or 2 session difference is there. By taking extra both are equal, then we can club the both people. But the thing is it will club because what is happening now, 1 hour session and after 8 o'clock 9 o'clock again I have another session in Amirpet in Hyderabad. So that 1 hour time within 8 to 9 I have to get ready and I have to hurry to go to office. Lot of pressure on me. Due to that reason also, nowadays at 8 p.m. I am unable to talk to you for 5 minutes also. Generally I used to give time to the students 5 to 10 minutes every day after class to speak. That is the reason 5:30 a.m. to India time. I am talking about IST. 7:30 a.m. sharp. 2 hours we conduct the class. No single minute waste. 2 hours means lot of syllabus we can complete. After 7:30, if any concerns are there, also we can discuss. Because I have the office at 9 a.m. So that is the reason this is my plan. Is it okay for all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IST means Indian time. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
I am also having lot of pressure because 5:30 to 7:30, 7 o'clock one session, and they are having some questions, but I'm not getting time to talk because again I have to start your batch. Otherwise, it's getting delay. Now 7 to 8 your batch, 8 o'clock sharp I have to close. Otherwise, I have a pressure on 9 o'clock batch. That is the reason this is my plan. 2 hours means advantage for both people, and we will have anytime. If we want to extend also, we can extend this session 8 o'clock if there is a important topic. But 2 hours is enough. By that time, we'll get tired like anything. 2 hours session continuation means that's enough. Is it okay for all? Any concerns? Like anybody are having problems, sir? I have a problem.
No problem.
Let me
No,
take
sir.
input from all the people. Uh, uh, by no, no. Yeah, that timings, the day not decided. Day I'll tell you. Maybe next week someday I'll announce one day before only. Maybe day after tomorrow fest is going to start. I'll announce to you through mails you will get. And orally now first time taking confirmation from all the people. Is it okay for all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah. Get ready for this because of that we can complete the syllabus very fast. Okay, right. So okay, fine. Any concerns you can send me the mail. Okay. Now for loop. Come back to for loop. The people who are from India will have a difficult time because 5:30 means I am and you have to wake up early, right? But very effective, right? Coming to for loop, I'm giving syntax for loop, syntax for loop, right? Right. Syntax for loop. Chari, is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Every day I will wake up at 4:45. Hmm. Right. Okay, guys. Syntax for any idea about for syntax?
Yes, sir.
Initialization.
Initialization, condition,
Condition and
plus or minus.
increment or decrement operators.
You do one thing in your notepad. Open your
Increment and
notepad.
decrement.
1 minute. Open your notepad. Write for loop syntax. I'll share one system, and after that syntax, you write how for loop syntax is executing. Write explanation. Come on, do it fast.
Siri, get down.
Fast. Mute yourself. Lot of disturbance you are giving to the session. I don't want all these gifts. Right. Okay, guys. You have tried, right? So, guys, now come on. Right. Okay, na? Right. Now tell me. Yeah. Shiva, tell me the syntax, for loop syntax.
For
For
initialization,
initialization,
semicolon,
semicolon,
condition,
condition,
semicolon,
condition, semicolon. Because every day I'm also feeling bad that every day I'm unable to talk to you after class. I'm getting very hurried. That's why this decision we have taken. 2 hours time will be very much advantage for us. Whatever course is going
increment or decrement.
1 month will complete in within 15 days, like that. Increment or decrement. Increment means I
Increment
plus or
or
decrement.
minus.
Decrement means minus.
Minus.
Right. Minus. So now this is called for block. This is called for block. Now statement 1, statement 2, some statements, whatever you want to execute. Yeah. Now, yeah, Shiva, tell me. Shiva, you have given syntax. Very good. Shekhar, can you explain the flow of the loop? Flow.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, carry on.
Yes, sir. Especially we'll take like for I equal to 1, for example,
No. Execute the syntax. Don't use I equal to 1, 0. I don't want that.
So can I explain?
First part will
initialize the variable, sir.
Yeah. Carry on, Uma. Carry on. Fast.
First it will execute initialization call. and then after that it will check the condition.
Okay.
And when the condition is true, it will enter into the for block and execute the statement 1.
Okay.
And then it will encounter at the closing braces. Then it will go for the increment or the decrement the operator.
Okay. Right. I'll explain. Try to concentrate, guys. Okay. For programmer, conditional statements are the heart. I will concentrate more. That's the reason. First, control will execute initialization. It is 1. It is 1. Okay. Otherwise, I'll use pen board for this to give the clarity. Okay. Concentrate, all of you. Now, first, control will execute the initialization. Means you can say 1. Next it will check the condition. It is called 2. Condition means can return either true or false. Let's say it is returning true. Assume that. Immediately control will enter into the for block. It will execute 1 and 2. Means it will execute 1 iteration. Executing the loop block one time is called 1 iteration. Once it is encountered the closing brace, 1 iteration is completed. First iteration is completed. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is executing the block. Once it is encountered the closing brace, control will go back to the either increment or decrement operator. It can be either plus plus or minus minus. Okay. So after this, it will execute increment or decrement called fourth. Okay. First initialization, condition, block iteration, and increment or decrement. So after that, it will again check the condition. If it is true, again if it is true, it will enter into the block. Which block? For block. Again it will execute one more iteration, one more time. And once it is encountered the closing brace, it will go back. Increment or decrement. Again it will check what condition. Again if it is true, it will execute one more iteration. Once encountered closing brace, again will go back. And it will execute plus or minus minus. Okay, after that, it will again check the condition. This process will continue till the condition is true. Let's say once a condition is false, for block will be skipping and the control will execute the following statements. Control will execute the following statements. Right. So that is the story. Right. Okay. So yeah, in this way, this for loop will be executing. I hope you understood the syntax. Or you need one more time.
One more time, sir.
Yeah, very good. Good. Yeah, better if you don't have the clarity, you ask me one more time. I will teach. I will explain if you need 100 times. I have that patience. Right. Yeah, because it is important. Right. Syntax for loop. First, it will execute initialization. Second, it will execute condition. Condition can be true or false. Let's assume that it is true. If it is true, it will enter into the for block. It will execute 1 and 2 statements. It is called one iteration. Once under that means executing the block is the third part after condition. Once it is encountered the closing brace means once block execution is completed, again it will go to increment or decrement. Okay, and here increment or decrement is executing in this line. After this, control will go to again what? Condition. Condition is checking. Initialization will execute only once. Remember that. Condition is checking. Let us assume again it is true. Again it will go back. Once it is true, it will go back. Come on, carry on. Means block will execute. Okay, one more iteration. Encounter the closing brace. That is completed. Again go back to increment or decrement. Okay, after this again it will go to the condition. Suppose again it is true. Again loop will execute. And again it will go for increment or decrement. Again it will check the condition. So the continuation will be till the condition is true. Let us assume this time condition is false. Then simply it will skip the block and it will execute the following statements. That is the story. Are you clear, all of you? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next guys, we will go to the, yeah, one small example, one small requirement I'll give you. Yeah, Kumar Garu, are you following? Yeah, okay. What about Ankitana? Ankitana, noble wife. Ankita,
Akshita, sir.
sorry, Akshita, are you following?
Yes, sir. I am.
No problem, right? Yeah.
No problem, sir. I
You
can.
completed total course .NET. They are given A to Z, I hope,
No,
right?
no, sir. Till end of C sharp, but not that much clear, sir. It was basic.
Are you
Basic.
able to write any program?
Yeah, I used to, sir.
Right, okay. But I think you didn't get confidence, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's why.
No doubt here you will get confidence, but maintain the confidence. Don't enter into overconfidence, okay?
Yeah, sure, sir.
That is going to be danger in my training. People will have to
Yeah,
maintain the balance, confidence balance. No doubt you are going to rock, but maintain the confidence. Huh? Don't enter into
sure,
overconfidence.
sir.
It will be
Sure,
dangerous.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, all of you. Let me give you one task. One task for you, all of you. That is simple task. Write a console program to print 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. Write a console program to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, like below. By using what? By using for loop. For loop I want. Right. So yeah, guys, the expectable output is I want to print like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. I want to print the numbers like this. Okay. Can you try for 2 minutes first? Can you try, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
all of you
No,
try.
no, no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Come on, write the program.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Like, if he doesn't press the enter button, does not it pop up the other numbers directly, sir? Like, do we need
No,
to
no,
display
all the numbers should print 1 to 10 without enter button only. My expectation is it should print continuously. 1 second, hold for 1 second if you don't mind, please. Hello? See, the 1 to
Yes,
10
sir.
numbers has to print continuously, what I asked you. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir, I got it.
1 second. Are you able to write all of you? Yeah. Whenever you want to print like this, what you have to do, listen, very simple. First of all, what is your requirement? Printing
1
number.
to 10.
1 to n numbers you want to print continuously. Means printing the value, moving the cursor to next line to print the next number. Whenever you have a requirement to print the value, move the cursor to next line. What is the control statement?
Console.WriteLine.
Console.WriteLine. That console.WriteLine you want to execute one time or multiple time?
Multiple.
Times.
So suppose we didn't use loops, then we have to write how many console.WriteLines?
10
10.
times, sir.
And to avoid 10 statements, we are going for a concept called loop, and to reduce the code, we are writing a single statement called console.WriteLine. That should execute how many times? 10 times.
10 times.
Right? That's why we are going for a concept called loop. Here, printing value is what? 1 to 10. 1 to 10. So take it as a I. So initialization is first value. What is the first value?
1.
I equals to
So
1.
int I equal to 1. Next to incrementing. See, one difference between 1 to 2 is how much?
1.
1. 2 to 3 is how much?
1.
3 to 4 is how much?
1.
1. With this, the moral of the story is you want to every time increment a value. I value how much? 1 value. 1.
By 1.
Means what? What is that? 1 value you have to increment. I plus plus. I plus plus. That is over. Next condition. Up to how long you want to print? Up to you reach the IA value as what?
Less,
10. 10.
less than
What
equal
will be
to
the
10.
condition? I less than or equal to
10.
10. Come on. Tell me the code. Tell me. Come on. Right. For
Int I equal to 1.
I less than or
I
equal
less than or equal to 10.
10.
I plus plus.
I plus plus. Sorry. I plus plus.
Braces console.WriteLine of I.
Console.WriteLine of I. Console.WriteLine of I. Okay. Right. That is the story, guys. This is the requirement. This is the way you have to write the program. Are you able to write all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many are able to write the program?
I'm all okay, sir.
Okay. It's okay. We'll do one thing. What I will do now, to understand more clear about loop, I am going to execute this program with the help of breakpoint now. The help of breakpoint. Okay. Right. Did you remember breakpoint?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
how
sir.
to fix the breakpoint? Move the cursor to left side of main method and press left mouse button. When breakpoint came left of the main method. Again I am telling you. Move the cursor mouse to left side of main method here and press left mouse button when breakpoint came here. Now press what is the function key for right line by line execution?
F8.
F8 F10
F10, sir.
F10. F10.
F10
Is it 10?
F10 F8 that's why. Huh?
F10, sir. F10. F10.
F11, sir.
Got it. F12 is to open the base class libraries. F10 I think. Right. I'm pressing F10. F10 Right. 1 minute. Right. F10. Okay, now you see F10. First opening brace. Second, you observe. Int I equal to 1.
1.
1. Okay, I equal to what? 1. And you can do like this. Whenever you are tracing a program like this, take a pen and paper and maintain the values like this. You have to maintain the values like this. How I am maintaining, you should maintain with pen and paper. Right. I'm sorry. Right. Pen and paper. You observe me, how I am maintaining. So first control is executed. I'm not executing even though with the help of breakpoint, not with pen and paper. Mute yourself, some noise is coming. Int I equal to 1. One variable is created. What is the variable name? I. I values you maintain like this. Every moment the changes you have to show in your book. And I greater than or equal to. And that means 1 greater than I value is 1. 1 greater than or equal to 10. True or false? True. 1 less than or equal to 10. True. Once it is true, control will enter into the for block. It will execute console.writeLine of I. So what it will print?
1.
Here I am
It will
writing
print
out,
1.
guys. Output. What it will print? 1 it will print. OP. It is OP. It is I value changes. 1 it will print, and after printing 1 it will move the cursor to
Next.
next. And
I'll
go
do
to
the for
the place. I plus plus. I is 1. 1 plus plus how much?
2.
2. Remove 1 and keep what? 2. 2. This is I value. This is output window. Don't get confused. 2 less than or equal to 10. Tell me.
True.
True. Then
2.
again control will enter into the for block. Console.writeLine of I. I will print. 2 will print and move the cursor to next line.
2.
Encounter the closing brace I plus plus. What is I value? 3. 3.
3.
3. 3 less than or equal to 10.
True.
True, sir.
Again enter into the loop. Console.writeLine of I. I is what? 3. Encounter the closing brace I plus plus. What is I value? 4. 4 less than or equal to 10. True. Again enter into the loop block and WriteLine of I. What is the value? 4. Next encounter the closing brace I plus plus. Again 5. I value is changing. Again 5 less than or equal to 10. 5 less than or equal to 10. True or false? True. Again enter into the loop. Console.writeLine of I. 5. And move the cursor to next line. Encountered closing brace I plus plus. I value is 6. And 6 less than or equal to 10. True. And console.writeLine of I. I is what? 6. And move the cursor to next line. Encountered the closing brace I plus plus. Next what? 7. 7 less than or equal to 10. True. Console.writeLine of I. 7. And encountered the closing brace I plus plus. 8. I plus plus. 8. 8 less than or equal to 10. True. Again enter into the block. Console.writeLine of I. 8. And again encounter the closing brace. Again we'll go back I plus plus. 9. 9. 9 less than or equal to 10. True. Again console.writeLine of I. 9. Move the cursor to next line. Encounter the closing brace I plus plus. Again I value is what? 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. True. Again console.writeLine of I. Here 10 will print. Again encounter the closing brace I plus plus. 11. Now 11 less than or equal to 10. Come on, tell me.
False.
False. Whenever condition is false, for block will be skipping. For block will be skipping. Okay, that is the story. This
Yes,
is the way. See, It is the first time we are implementing loop in our training. I don't know about your previous experience. So every time whenever you are executing anything, you take a pen and paper, you trace like this. Don't depend on CLR. Your hand should be the CLR. Then I'm sure your paper should be the console window. I'm sure you will become a good programmer. But it may take consume lot of time. You need patience, but you will become a good programmer. Okay, right. That is a story about this. Okay, guys, I'll give you next other requirement. Can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, other requirement I'll give you. Okay, right. Okay, guys, think twice and thrice. Write a console program to print 10 to 1 numbers using for loop. But the output should be like this: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you do it
Yes,
fast?
sir.
Do it, guys. Chari completed, huh?
Sir.
You attended already the same class in Amirpet classroom training. So is there any difference
Yes,
between
sir.
online and classroom? Tell me. Hmm?
No difference, sir. It is also
You are,
very
you are
as
unable,
it's same.
you are unable to see me. Only that is the difference, I hope, right?
Yes, sir.
Most of the people will say that online training means it will not be effective, but depends upon the way how we will approach, I hope. Okay, right. I think it is more concentration. Only one thing is your video is not there. Even though we can on the webcam also. Let's see, we'll see. But last time I didn't, not required also. I think. Right. Yeah, guys. Right. Carry on, all of you. Over, all of you. Are you able to write?
Yes, sir.
Urmil completed.
Yeah. Done, sir.
Yeah, you're not responding nowadays. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Okay, fine. Yeah, come on, guys. We'll write the code. So all of you completed, I hope. Simple, small change. See, what is the first printing value? 10. So initialization should be 10. And increment or decrement?
Decrements. I is greater than or equal to 1.
I minus minus.
Decrement.
Then I greater than or equal to 10. I greater than or equal to 10. Am I right?
Wrong.
No, sir. I greater than equal to 1.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I greater than or equal to 1. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I greater than or equal to 1. Right. 1. Now it will give you the output. 10 to 1. Right. Now what you people have to do? What you people have to do? Yes. What you people have to do? What you know? Do take one pen and paper, trace the program with your own hands. With your
Okay,
own
sir.
hands. With your own hands. The practice anyhow we will not do. Hmm? Anybody are confused in switch? Anybody are missed switch?
Sir,
Compare.
I'm little confused. I have done the age program and
One whoever missed, confused if else if and switch, that concept tomorrow I am discussing in my 5:30 batch. You can attend same link,
okay.
but you have to inform to me who are joining. Okay, who are coming? 5:30 to 7.
But tomorrow I cannot attend the
5:30 to
class
7.
tomorrow, sir.
My times 5:30 to 7. In that batch, I'm comparing between if else if and switch comparison. So Kumar Garu, if possible, you attend. Yeah. Completed, all of you? Right. So tracing is over. I think this is a program. Again, I don't require to do tracing, but let me explain. Let me explain. Like what you know, I equal to 10. I equal to 10. 10 greater than or equal to 1. True or false? We want to attend tomorrow 5:30 batch, 5:30 to 7. Same link, same. Don't disturb the class. Just observe the class. Okay, just attend the class. Whenever I'll ask the question, only respond. Right. 10 greater than or equal to 1. True or false? Sir? True. And
True,
when
sir.
condition is true, control will enter into the for block, console dot right line of I. I is what? 10. Encountered closing brace. I minus minus
I is reduced to 9.
9. 9 greater than or equal to 1. True. For block,
True.
console dot right line of I is what? 9. Like that, it will execute 10 iterations. In 10 iterations, it will print 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the 10th iteration, let us assume it's printing 1. Okay, I is 1. I minus minus 1 minus minus 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1. Come on.
False.
False. For
False, sir.
skipping and control will execute. Console.readline. Readline is holding the command prompt to window. Right. The next one is, next program is, write a console program to print to 1 to 10 numbers like below. Means my expectable output is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I want to print 1 to 10, but I want to print like this. Between 1 to 10.
9 plus.
Yeah, I don't know what you will do it. Right. Yeah. Come on, over. Right. Over all of you.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, guys. Tell me. I equal to what?
1.
I equal to 1. Next.
I is less equal to 9.
I less than or equal to, I less than or equal to 10. 10. Here no difference. Only difference is here. I value has
I
increment
to
how
I
much?
plus.
You observe
Increment plus.
every time 2 is incrementing. 2.
Yes.
Okay, that is we have to write now. Come on.
I equal to
I
I equal to I plus.
I plus 2.
equal to I plus 2 you can write. Okay,
Sir,
I equal to I plus 2.
not.
Let's see. I equal
So
to
you wrote 1 plus 2.
I plus 2. I plus 2. 1 to 9. 1 to 9. So how it is executing? Let me explain. Tracing. In loops, tracing. Tracing is always powerful, but you need patience. Patience is the first step for success. Patience plus hard work is success, no doubt. Who will have patience, no doubt will do hard work. I equal to 1. 1 less than
Sir,
or equal to 10. 1 less than or equal to 10. Right? Got the output or not? Right. 1 less than or
yes, sir.
equal to 10. True. And console dot write line of I. I is what? 1. Encountered closing brace. In this, what will happen? First, RHS will execute. I is what? Already I value is what? 1.
1
Plus 2.
plus 2.
1 plus 2. Come on. 3.
3.
Then it
They
will
will be storing.
then it will recognize I value. Then after that it will execute assignment. Assignment is doing what? 3. What is the value?
Getting 3
3
I value.
into I. 3 into I. And 3 less than or equal to 10. True. Console dot write 10 of I. I is what? 3. Then move the cursor. Encountered closing brace. I. 3 plus 2. 5. 5 will be stored into I. 5 will be stored into I. Right. Next, what happened? 5 will be stored into I. 5 less than or equal to 10. True. Console dot write line of I. 5. Again. 5 plus 2. 7 will be stored into I. 7 less than or equal to 10. True. Console dot write line of I. I is what? 7. Again encountered closing brace. I. I is what? 7 plus 2. 9. 9 will be stored into I. 9 less than or equal to 10. True. Console dot write line of I. 9. 9. 9 plus 2. 11. 11 will be stored into I. 11 less than or equal to 10. 11
False,
less than
sir.
or equal to 10. What is that? False.
False.
Block will be skipping. Or block will be skipping. Okay na? Right. That is the story. Or block will be skipping. Okay. So like that. Understood everybody? Right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So all of you guys. So this is the way. This is the way. Right. So still if you are interested, sir, we want to write that this. I'll give you couple of tasks. Open your lab book, all of you. Open your lab book. Yeah, go to the control statements.
$21, sir.
Loops. Yes.
30.
1 minute. Yeah. Loops. Yeah. You try
32.
35 you try. 36 you try. 35, 36 you try. With help of for loop you try. Whatever I am asking you, try with for loop. 35, 36. 35, 36 enough. Next, that 40 you try. 40 you try. Did you remember what are the task numbers I said?
35, 36 and 46.
40, 41. Remember 41. Tell me all of you guys. Tasks are
35,
35, comma
36.
36,
40,
40, 41.
41. I am sending through chart. 41, you try 42 because you should be busy with the .NET. Okay, your whole day should be .NET. 42, that is 42, okay, and 40, 44 not required, and 45, 45, 45, okay, 45, enough. You try these programs. I sent through chart all the task numbers. Take it all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow also same time. And when the 2-hour session, I'll inform one day before. Don't hurry about that. Anybody are interested to attend if and speech, join tomorrow 5:30 time. My 5:30 session. Same link. Okay, but don't disturb the class because those people are joining with a different company. So slowly I'll move you people into that batch. Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, all the recordings you can expect this week also. Sunday you can expect. Tomorrow, after tomorrow session, any recording if you want I can give you. And as well as
Okay.